Hi guys, I'm Varun and welcome back to our channel. So today's video was one of the most requested videos by you all. So that is why we are going to be doing the unboxing of the best seller product that we have in our range, which is the Meyer Cast-Iron Kadai. Now, as we all know that cast iron is one of the safest and the best cookware to use in your daily routine because A, it has no coatings whatsoever, it has no chemicals whatsoever, and the good thing about Meyer products is that our products are made from one single piece of iron, which means that there are no joints, no screws, no rivets, nothing of that sort in the cookware. So it is just one single piece of pure iron. It has no paints, no enamels, so you know that it won't chip, no piece will break and fall into your food, etc, etc. So that is why cast iron has been one of the most popular picks when it comes to cooking. Of course, there are other reasons also, that it heats up evenly, it retains heat for a very long time as compared to aluminium cookware or stainless steel cookware. Once you've heated the product, you don't really need to give it so much gas, so you can just heat it once, lower the gas and continue cooking for a long time. And especially when it comes to Indian food that has a lot of browning involved, a lot of long cooking, a lot of stewing, braising, etc. So that is why cast iron seems to be the perfect pick, because it is meant for long cooking and one pot cooking. So that was about cast iron, and now we are going to be moving on to this product. This is a 30 centimeter cast iron kadai that has a see-through lid, and it has silicone beading on sides of the lid so that it creates an airtight seal in the cookware, so you can actually place the lid if you're cooking some non-vegetarian food like chicken or mutton and you really need that steam trapped inside. So that is why we've provided a silicone rim on the edge of the glass lid, and the glass is obviously shatter resistant. It won't shatter, even if it falls it won't break, etc. So moving on to this product, this is a 30 centimeter kadai like I said. So there is also 26 centimeter that is available in this product if you are looking for a smaller size. And then we have a different type of kadai also, which is called as a deep kadai. So this one is more of a flatter kadai and it has a larger surface area. And then we also have something known as a deep kadai that has depth and capacity. So that comes in 20 centimeter and 24 centimeter, and this regular kadai comes in 26 centimeter and 30 centimeter. So let's move on to the unboxing part of the video. So if you want to see the packaging, this is what it looks like from all the sides. It has all of its features mentioned on one side. It's got even heating, it's naturally healthy cooking, because again cast iron is a very healthy form of cooking. It imparts some kind of iron to your daily cooking also, and since there are no coatings, no chemicals, no paints, it's a naturally healthy cooking alternative to your regular cookware. Now this product and every other Meyer cast iron product is pre-seasoned with 100% vegetable oil, so you can be assured that out of the box your product will not rust in the open, etc. And then, as I said, it has a silicone lid that has shatter resistant glass. Now let's open up the product. Now, as we all know that cast iron cookware is very heavy, so please be aware of the fact that this is made from one piece of iron, which makes it quite heavy. So that is why we recommend that you keep this product in a lower shelf also in your kitchen, so that there is no risk of it falling on top of you by any chance. So this is what you get inside the product. We are going to open the tapes and everything. It is very securely packed because of this reason only, because it is a very heavy product. It is a pure iron product. So that is why it has to be secured at all times. We open it like that and then we flip it. And there we have it. This is what the product looks like on the inside. A lot of packaging material to make sure that you get your product in the most pristine condition, without any scratches, without any nicks, without any dents. this is the lid that we were talking about. We will just remove this protective plastic. Now this is the shatter resistant lid that I was telling you about. It has a heat resistant handle to easily maneuver it on top of the product and to remove it so that your hand will not feel hot. And this is the heat resistant silicone rim that I was telling you about that creates an airtight kind of a seal, and you can cook your meats or tougher cuts in this so that there is no escape of steam. And if you're even cooking some vegetables also, you like to have the steam trapped inside the cookware because it cooks your food faster and it retains the nutrients also. So this is the lid of the 30 centimeter Kadai. Very durable, very high quality, and the glass, like I said, is shatter resistant. Some protective material, and this is the Kadai itself. We'll open it up to show you guys. It's quite heavy, so please handle it with care. Now this is the warranty card that you get with it. Now all cast iron products, when it comes to Meyer as a brand, we provide a lifetime warranty on all of our products because they are built in a way that they will last you forever. So you don't have to worry about them in any kind of way, and you don't have to worry about the quality because we stand by our brand, we stand by our products, and that is why we can afford to give you guys a lifetime warranty. Now this is another piece of information that you get with the product. This is the general safety and use and care information. So this is all about how to handle the product. Once you're done with cooking inside this product, you need to season it, because now as we all know that this is pure cast iron. Now pure cast iron without any kind of coating, paint or enamel, it will rust if exposed to water and air. So out of the box you see a matte black kind of a finish. Now this product as it is pre-seasoned with 100% vegetable oil. But once you start using it and once you start washing it, that seasoning will come off. So make sure that once you're done using this product, you either don't wash it, because honestly, if you're boiling something regularly or if you're just doing a small kind of a thing, you don't really need to wash it with soap and detergent and scrub it all. You can just wipe it clean with a kitchen towel. That won't remove the seasoning. But if you're making something that is prolonged cooking, making masalas, making your Indian curries or Indian vegetables, and then you're washing it, which is required, so you can use your regular detergents, you can use any kind of sponge on it, so you can just scrub it clean. But once you scrub it, make sure that you season it. Even if you're not seasoning it, you just apply a few drops of oil, coat the entire cookware inside and out with some oil using just a tissue paper, and that's it, and you just store it away. That will prevent it from rusting and will prevent it from any kind of corrosion. But even if your pan rusts, let's assume that there was some kind of a problem and your pan rusts or the seasoning goes away, there is nothing to be worried about. Cast iron products get rusted all the time. Rusting is a very natural process and it can easily be cured. So I've made a whole video on how to remove rust and restore cast iron products. So I'll link it down in the description. I'll put that video's link also. And I've also made a detailed video on how to season your cast iron so that you get a perfect cooking surface every single time. So what I'll do is I'll link both those videos at the bottom of this video, and then you can check those out also if you want to. Coming back to this product, like I said, it is 100% seamless product. So you will not see any kind of screws, any kind of attachments, any kind of rivets inside the pan, because once you have screws, rivets, etc., they get loose over time, and a lot of food gets stuck inside those rivets, inside screws, and that food, because it is not removed even after washing, starts decaying, and it can lead to some kind of microbial growth, which is not good for your food. So that is why it is 100% seamless interior. Nothing, no rivets, no screws, no dents, nothing like that. The product also has two very ergonomically shaped handles. Now again, the handles are made of cast iron. As it is, they will get heated up because again, like I said, it is one piece of cast iron cookware and the handles are attached to the kadai, so obviously they will get heated up. Now we've already thought about that, and we also want to give you the maximum ease and productivity out of the cookware. So that is why grips are provided with each product, each cast iron product. Now these are heat resistant grips that have a velcro inside. So all you need to do is open these up, place it on top of your handles. Super simple, nothing too complicated. Just push it in till it's nice and snug, and then just simply push it so that the velcro sticks to it, and that's it. Now you have two heat resistant handles, a heat resistant lid to go with it, and the lid gets securely placed, and it also creates an airtight space inside it. And like this, you can easily maneuver the product. You can easily move it from your stove top to your kitchen counter or directly to the table if you're making something like that. And once you're done, you can simply pull them off. If they're dirty, you can wash them. They're 100% washable, they're reusable. And that is all about this particular product, the cast iron 30 centimeter kadai. This is the product. One last time, I'll show you guys the seamless interior, the lid, everything, and that's it. One of the most requested video of all times and one of the highest selling products that we have in our collection. Now we'll be back with more such videos, more such informative, detailed product videos, more unboxings, a lot of recipes. So stay tuned. Please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, please do like it and share it with your friends. And then I'm gonna see you soon. So till then, take care.